I received this mobile phone today. This is iPhone 11 and the phone is acting really weird. Okay, wow, it went off. So what this phone is doing is that the phone automatically restarts out after every 3 to 4 minutes. Yeah, as I was speaking, it was on, right? So it's going to restart right here. So we are going to solve this problem today. It is a very complicated problem to know actually what is causing the problem, but let's wait for the phone to switch on. Then we are going to check something in the phone settings before we go on, then open the phone to see how we're gonna solve the problem. Okay, we are going to go into the settings of this phone. The reason why I'm getting into the settings, I want to know the reason why this phone keeps restarting, because there will normally be an error message in the settings. I go to privacy and security and I scroll down to analytics and improvement. So I will come to analytics data. Oh, did I switch off something? Oh, I'll have to hold on for the phone to restart again. Okay, after restarting, let's continue. We are going to get into analytics data right there. Okay, we are just going to search this panic. Okay, panic full. We are going to take the first one here. Okay, so I'm going to see the reason why this phone is restarting, then know exactly where I need to troubleshoot the phone. So I'm going to check this, then after I've checked, we will go in, open the phone, and I'm going to explain how I get to know exactly what to troubleshoot inside the motherboard at the end of this video. So let me see. Okay, so from checking here, I'm just going to open the phone right now so that we will troubleshoot and see how to solve this problem, and at the end I will show you how I get to know exactly what part to troubleshoot and solve the problem, the restarting problem of this mobile phone. So keep watching and make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you need my mobile repairing course, which is complete Android mobile repairing course, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. So let's fix this problem right now. Okay, the reason why I was able to identify where the problem is coming from is because if we check out the lock, which is the restarting error logs right here, you will see that it says that the thermal monitor series return. Yeah, that was the error. So it's thermal monitor series. Yeah, I tend to understand that it's the thermistor of the charging section. So the phone was not able to detect the thermistor was not able to send the phone signal that the temperature of the phone is normal and all that stuff. So the phone decided to restart itself. So the problem was coming from the charging card, and you can know that from here. So at times if it's the mic, it's going to show, like you see right here. With the mic, it's going to show what part is missing in the mobile phone, and this make repair very easy to understand. So you can subscribe right here, make sure to like the video, and if you want Android mobile repairing calls, you can send me a message on WhatsApp.